Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Centre. Please join us in conversation.
Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds. It's an absolute pleasure to be here at the Automotive Training Centre in Surrey, British Columbia. I'm really enjoying being in conversation with the folks here at this college. They understand the need for students to get a focused education, focused learning that leads to employment at the other end. And when people are employed at the other end, the economy grows. And I can tell you, the Automotive Training Centre and the regulated college system generally understand this entire model, and they're good at it. Students love being here, and there's a good reason for it. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what program you're in right now.
My name is Seyed Mehdi, and then I am at the Automotive Technician Service, and then I'm taking the automotive courses right now, and then we have like 3 months left to finish our school, and it's very fun course actually, having a lot of friends here, finding a lot of friends, having good teachers, and then yeah, we are good to go and then get a job here. Yeah.
What is it about cars that you like?
Actually, about cars, the thing is, I was like a hairstylist before, and then I start. One of my friends offers me to work with the cars, and then I didn't like cars before. Then I never into it. Then I start doing it, and then I love it. Actually, it was very fun. It takes a lot of times. Like I doing some small jobs like brakes and then tire change, something like that. And then it was very fun actually. And then I start continue it, and then I work for 1 year. Then I start these courses. Then it helps me a lot about improving myself, even for like talking with people, like how to convince convince the customers, how to replace or change the things, anything have any problems, troubleshootings. Yeah, it helps me a lot about this course, and then yeah.
You're gaining confidence in working on cars. You say you never really had much interest in it up to about a year ago.
Yeah.
So what does a perfect job look like for you when you graduate? What you hope to work at?
I like to work with engines and electricals. And then the part I like to do, it's like modifying cars, like doing modifying, and then sport cars. I like sport cars a lot. And then I hope maybe opening my own mechanic shop soon.
Wow.
That's my goal for now, my target.
What is it about restoring sports cars and modifying sports cars that you like so much?
I like the Supra at the most of the cars because it has like more. You can put like more power into that car. It has more space. That's why I start from Supra first, my first favorite car. Then after that, it starts from other cars. Now it's coming out like Dodge Charger or something like that. These cars are amazing.
Yeah. An absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcentre.com.